How to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram Story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device, and if it does not show up there, open Chrome and search Spotify Wrapped. Click on 2025 Wrapped, which is the Spotify's official website. After you click on 2025 Wrapped, it will directly lead you to the app. Here you will find your Wrapped. It's not available in my account, but you will find it in this way. Simply scroll through it and press on Your Summary. After you click on Your Summary at the bottom left, here you can scroll left and right and click on Share at the bottom after you find the one you want. After you have pressed on Share, click on Stories at the bottom, which is Instagram Stories, and it will lead you to your Instagram app directly. You'll find it in this way. Press on Your Story at the bottom left corner of your screen, and you're good to go. This is how to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram Story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.